you guys, it's Molly. I'm having a live auction to sell some of my pieces that I've been doing on my channel. So you guys please see if you can tune in. It's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm in Florida. So that'll be Sunday, 4/28/2019, 8 p.m. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna show them in detail. I just want you to see what the starting bid will be and what video they're from if you want to check out the video again. But they're beautiful. So I'm not going to go in order, but I'll just show them as they come. So there you go. That was a St. Patty's Day pour, one of them. That was one I did on my balloon smash video. I know there's a little bit of a glare. That was one I did. It was video 63, a little ring pour from some colors that Judy had recommended. This is really beautiful. It's one of my rose pours. So that one will be right there. This is one that glows in the black light. Oh, it's really pretty. And that tiniest little bit of green and purple came out in there. But this was done with neon color, so this does glow under black light. And that one was video 102, starting bid. This one right here is my Molly's Comet. So this one is video 112, starting bid. This was from, gosh, the cells and this has copper and metallics in it too. The cells in this one are amazing. This was my experiment with, this one was the experiment with Floetrol and no Floetrol. So you can check out that video. This was one I did off camera. All of these are varnished. But it's really, really cool. The cells in it are amazing. So the starting bid on all of these will be $30. Sorry, I didn't have a thing for that one. This was my re-pour of my, I think it was video 99. I can't remember if it was, I think it was the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Look at that one little cell right there. So that was that one. And I'll show you the backs, and you know, I'm not perfect, so the backs get kind of messy. Some of them are on level 2 canvases, some of them are on level 1, some of them are on level 3. This was off camera. This was my first try. It's really beautiful though, for the Firefly. This one right here is another, let me turn it this way for you. It's just a little silicone pour there. This one was off camera. This was done with an egg crate. The cells are really cool in that one. This was the other part to the Floetrol experiment. So there's the starting bid and the video on that one. This was a tiny little off-camera one with leftover paints. This was my Firefly. That was my St. Patty's Day pour. This one is the one that everybody's been watching now, which is the one that looks like it's fireworks. So there's that one. This is, I think we started close to here. That is the one I did with just gloss medium and Floetrol experiment. You guys, it's kind of hard to see with this darn glare, but those cells are so cool. I mean, those little, this was another St. Patty's Day pour. Oh, there we go. That was why I didn't have that on there. So that's that one. And then that was that one. This is one that I did that was off camera. I could have sworn it was on camera, but it was not. But it's got coral and aqua and gold and black, and this one shimmers as well. It's really cool. This was my Northern Lights experiment, and it looks like the purple and the green kind of glow. It's really pretty. This one's kind of hard to get all the way in the video, but this was my 3D, this is like Alice in Wonderland for me. My 3D paint split. So you can check out that video if you want. And then this is the last one. This is one of my jellyfish. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you at my live auction. So I will see you then. Bye, you guys. Happy painting.